In this module, we focused on what to do when you've got problems related to display and printing. We talked about display monitors and issues that might arise from a corrupt, incorrect, or even an updated driver that might introduce new problems. So we talked about things like driver rollback. We also talked about the display monitor resolution and a number of other settings that we might have to adjust even physically if it's an older type of display panel in order to get a correct visual display. We talked about projectors and how these days, when we want to project, for example, a PowerPoint presentation, we often will make connectivity through a wireless network, usually through Wi-Fi. And so we need to consider things like IP addressing, network congestion, and so on when we're troubleshooting connectivity to that projection device. Then we talked about troubleshooting printing from a Windows perspective in terms of connectivity over the network. We saw an example where we had a network printer, and that wasn't the problem, but rather we might have problems related to the settings related to the print job. So those print job problems could come in the form of selecting black and white when it should be color, or selecting the wrong paper type, so that results in a less than optimal print job. I hope you learned a lot about what to watch out for with display and printing issues in this section, and I hope you'll join me in the next section where we'll talk about how to solve mobile device and network issues.